The following algebraic expressions require us to combine like terms, and these expressions involve subtraction. We can use the rule of subtraction, which changes subtraction to addition of the opposite to help us simplify and express an equivalent expression for these problems. In this first example, replacing the subtraction, we'll turn it into an addition of the opposite of that number. These are similar terms since they both have the variable x to the first power. Looking at the coefficients, 4 plus -7, we're adding different signed numbers together. Subtract the absolute value of these numbers. 7 minus 4 gives us 3, so we have a 3x, and use the sign of the larger absolute value number. 7 is the largest absolute value. Of the two, it's negative. Our answer then is negative. Similar procedure in the next problem. These are similar terms. Replace the addition or the subtraction with addition of the opposite. We're now adding. Adding is always easier than subtraction. And if we look at these, we have different sign numbers. Take the absolute value of each, subtract. We get an 11a on the coefficient. And since the larger absolute value number is negative, our answer is negative. Problems that involve more terms, we will combine like terms. The first two are similar terms. Subtraction is the same as addition of the opposite. So we have a 7a plus a -12a. The difference between 12 and 7 is 5. The absolute value of -12 is larger than 7. That means we'll use the sign of this larger number, which is negative. So the combination of 7a and an addition of -12a is 5a, and then we have the 4 as part of the equivalent expression. Similar in the next example, the first two terms are similar. To simplify, we can combine them, replacing the subtraction with addition of the opposite for an equivalent expression. We see we're adding negative numbers together. We add those numbers together, which is a 22. They're negative. We put the sign of the numbers and the variable. There's nothing to simplify with the 7, but it's part of the expression and we will include it. In the last example, it is a possibility that if the terms are not similar, this first one has b, we have a constant term, the last one has n, that there is no combining of those terms and it is in its simplest form. So nothing should be done.